was there like a pivotal experience for you that made you realize like, hey, I can do this, and I can not just do this well, but I can do this, you know, to the best of my capabilities, better than everyone else?
I wouldn't say there was necessarily a pivotal experience, but maybe just the biggest the biggest gap I had to cover was when I went from a nuclear facility that I had operated and was very familiar with
Mm-hmm.
to that sugar plant where I was leading an effort to change a plant that was very set in its ways from and I was getting direction not only from the plant about the old ways, but I was getting direction from DuPont about their ways, and to just work with both sides and realize what was truly needed and kind of filter through a lot of the mess. You know, it taught me a lot about, you know, there again, that cool theory versus application. So in theory, you're supposed to do ABCD, right? And this is the procedure and this is the corporate way to do it. But in application, maybe C and D don't apply. Maybe those regulatory bodies don't go. So you don't want to force a square peg into a round hole, you know?